Forgotten username recovery failed on CoinMarketCap Fix. If you've forgotten your CoinMarketCap username, most people panic and try to guess, but the surprising truth is that recovery is straightforward if you use your registered email and follow the correct steps. Step 1. Go to the CoinMarketCap login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your registered email. You'll receive an email containing your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather your account details like full name, recent subscription info, or any linked wallets. CoinMarketCap support can verify your identity and help restore your username. Step 3. Carefully follow the recovery instructions from the email. Check your spam or junk folders if it doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If these steps fail, contact CoinMarketCap support directly. Provide your verification information and explain that automated recovery didn't work. Their team will guide you to regain access securely and efficiently. The key takeaway is that a forgotten CoinMarketCap username isn't permanent. With proper verification, you can restore access quickly and continue tracking your crypto portfolio without disruption.